I will never sit in a quiet room again after learning this. Ever wonder why your stomach growls like a bear? So, here's the scoop. When you're hungry, your brain sends signals to your digestive system. This makes the muscles in your stomach and intestines contract, moving air around and causing that growling sound. Yep, it's just air moving around. And get this, your stomach does this every 2 hours. Even if it's full, it's just louder when it's empty. Think of it like a hungry bear in there, always thinking about food. So next time you're in a quiet place and hear the growl, just remember, it's a little reminder from your stomach. Blame it on the stomach bear and keep on smiling. Like and follow if you've had this happen.